Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on iPhone. So if you're tired of ads popping up while you're scrolling on any browser in iPhone, I can show you how to fix that step by step. So first, stop pop-up ads in Safari. So first step is to click on Settings. Now once you're on Settings, scroll down to Apps and tap on it. Now in here, click the search bar at the top and type in Safari. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you see block pop-ups. Toggle it on to enable it. Now close settings and open Safari. Once enabled, Safari will automatically block pop-up ads while browsing. Next step you can do is to go to App Store and download an ad blocking app. So you can search for Brave Browser app or DuckDuckGo browser and install it. Tap on Get. You might need a Face ID or tap in your password to confirm the download. And now wait for it to be installed to your iPhone. Now once done, open it. Now these apps automatically block ads, trackers, and pop-ups while browsing. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.